How to post Instagram Reels from PC and desktop. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to instagram.com. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. Go to a blank section and right-click on the screen. Select the last option, Inspect. Now when you click on Inspect, the interface will look something like this. On the top right corner, if you click on the desktop and mobile icon, your interface will look something like this. You can click on Dimension Responsive and select any of the device. Make sure that you select a phone. Now you can use Instagram just like your phone. At the bottom, you should see the Reels section. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom panel, then select Post. Now click on Select from Computer. Select the file that you want to upload. Now it will show a menu like this. Click on OK. As you can see, our video are being shared as Reels. Now things are hiding, so I'm just gonna increase my screen. You can increase the screen if you want. On the top, click on Next. Now you can add a caption to your video. Once you made all the changes, click on Share. That's all for today. Thank you.